Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. Well, today I'm going to do a recipe which is very easy. It's going to take you around 10 minutes for preparation, and for making is around 28 minutes, which I'm going to do it in the microwave. Okay, so this is a full chicken which is not skinned yet. I will skin it. Here we have curd, that is 2 tablespoons of curd, little butter, that is to paint it after the tandoori is made, and here is red chili powder. Then we have pepper, and this is tandoori masala which I ground at home. I will put it in the next recipe when I am doing it. And here's ginger garlic paste, salt, saffron, that is turmeric powder, and here half a lime. And here one thing I'm going to use is the barbecue sauce. See, this is the barbecue sauce. Why I'm using the barbecue sauce? Normally tandoori chicken you're doing it on cold, so that smell and taste will be there when we do it. But here, since I'm not doing it on cold, I'm doing it in the microwave. This barbecue sauce has got that kind of a burnt, kind of cold taste. This is additional which you can probably add to get that taste. Here I'm not using any kind of colors here for the chicken. It's all only natural made masalas at home. Even the tandoori masala I ground at home from the curd. Only the chicken is bought from out. Okay, so let me skin the chicken down and then cut it into pieces, and I will show you. Viewers, now you can see, now I have removed the skin of the chicken. It's good to remove the skin because it's not good to have skin on the body. So, and I have removed the wings also, which maybe I don't like the taste of wings, so I remove the wings. Now I'm going to cut it into 2 halves. Okay, like we call like half barbecue chicken I'm going to make. Viewers, now you can see I've cut them in 2 equal parts. That is from the best portion in the center. So you get 2 halves like this. See, 2 side halves. So it's easy to slit this to marinate your masala into it. So let me make the slits on the flame. You can see that I have already slit it. Can you see? Just it's only half an inch you must slit, not too much, otherwise the meat will break when you're baking it. See, only half an inch split. And this side all. See, you need to split, cut it like this. Not even half an inch. You should not go too much, and otherwise the meat will break when you're baking it in the microwave oven. See, this is the way you should do it. Now I'm going to apply masala. So viewers, let's start with the mixing of the tandoori masala. Okay, now I've taken just a clean bowl. Okay, I've placed the meat over there. Now these are the masalas, as I told you: chili powder, pepper, and garam masala. Chili powder, pepper powder, garam masala. இது வந்து இந்த bowlல சேர்க்கிறோம். Okay, same thing. இதில் வந்து we have ginger garlic paste, இஞ்சி பூண்டு விழுது, salt, அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு மஞ்சள் பொடி, that is turmeric powder, இதுவும் இதில் சேர்க்கிறோம். சேர்த்துட்டு now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of curd, அதாவது 2 tablespoon of curd, வீட்டில் செஞ்ச curd. இந்த curd எதுக்குன்னா it will soften the flesh and it will be very nice while eating it. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் இதில் வந்து கொஞ்சம் barbecue sauce, just பார்த்தீங்களா, barbecue sauce, அவ்வளோதான். இது நல்லா மிக்ஸ் பண்ணணும். நீங்கள் you have to mix it properly. You need to mix it. Becomes like a paste. இதில் வந்து you should not add water, தண்ணி add பண்ணக்கூடாது. Okay, so now it is ready for marination. Now I will show you how we are going to marinate. So let me take 1 piece of it, put it on a plate, and I will show you the marination part. So generously, தாராளமா இதில் போடுங்க. இதில் வந்து I'm not using any kind of color. Normally கேசரி color or orange color they will use. I'm not using it. I'm using only our masalas which we ground at home to give its own color. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க பாருங்க நல்லா you should put it inside. see இந்த கட்ஸ் உள்ள போணும். உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதா மசாலா? let's turn it around again. in the slits la வந்து we are going to ஃபுல்லா தேய்ச்சி விடணும். கேப்ஸ் ஒரு கேப் விடக்கூடாது. அது எல்லாத்துலேயும் மசாலா ஊறணும் உங்களுக்கு. ஈவன் டு த டிப் ஆஃப் த லெக்ஸ், காலோட நுனி வரைக்கும் யூ நீட் டு புட் த மசாலாஸ். the masala is getting ready. இதே மாதிரி இன்னொரு பீஸ்லயும் நம்ம தடவி வைக்க போறோம். Okay viewers, now you can see spicy chicken with the tandoori masala on him, waiting to be baked in the oven. Yummy tandoori chicken. It is easy, very easy to make. Again I'm telling you. Now ipo this tandoori chicken, okay, we are going to close it with a foil. Okay, ஒரு ஃபாயில் வச்சு க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க. அப்படி தந்தூரி சிக்கன், see I have closed it with the foil and ரெண்டு சைடு கொஞ்சம் I have left some gap. so I'll tell you, see two sides I left some gap, only the two corners I have closed it. now this is quick fast tandoori chicken. so normally tandoori chicken you need to marinate and keep it at least for 2-3 hours fridge la வைக்கணும் நார்மல் கூலிங்ல. ஆனா இது வந்து நம்ம ஃப்ரீசர்ல வைக்க போறோம் just 30 minutes. அதனால I've kept this two place open so cooler will go inside. எதுக்காகன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஸோ மசாலா நல்லா ஊற உங்களுக்கு. நம்ம when you're putting it in the microwave it will not drop down the masalas. to tighten it and to soak inside properly I'm using this. okay, but only 30 minutes in the freezer, not more than that. அப்போ freeze chicken ஆயிடும். hi viewers, 30 minutes முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. 30 minutes over freezer இருந்து எடுத்திருக்கேன். இப்போ before we open this let it. so viewers, நம்ம மைக்ரோ ஓவன் வந்து ப்ரீ ஹீட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு ஒரு 5 minutesக்கு. ஸோ அந்த டைமில் நம்ம இது I'm just open பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Can you see? ஓ இந்த தந்தூரி சிக்கனில் திரும்பவும் சொல்கிறேன், there is no added colors or anything which is bad for health. எல்லாமே நம்ம வீட்டில் செஞ்ச மாதிரி. இப்போ இந்த சிக்கன் வந்து என்ன பண்ணோம்னா you can see me, இங்கே ஒரு grill வச்சுருக்கேன். இந்த grill வந்து I'm going to place each chicken, ஒரு சிக்கனுக்கும் 12 minutes time, one side. okay, so let me place one chicken, carefully place it this way. see, full chicken is placed. இப்போ இந்த சைடு வந்து 12 minutes, the other side topple பண்ணி இன்னொரு 12 minutes நீங்க போடணும் இந்த சிக்கனை. ஓகே, நான் டைமர் வந்து 12 minutes grill ஆப்ஷனுக்கு செட் பண்ணி ஹீட்டட் மைக்ரோவேவ்ல நான் வந்து I've placed the chicken. இப்போ 12 minutes is over. okay, now I'm going to turn the chicken the other side. see, can you see the tandoori nicely baked? now let me turn it the other side and bake it for another 12 more minutes. It's dark inside, so I'll just put the light for it. See, to bake it for another. Tandoori, barbecue, whatever you say, is ready. See, it's roasted nicely on both sides. okay, now as I said, I'm going to paint it up with some butter when it's hot. Yummy butter. yes, see, painting it up. The tandoori chicken is ready. It's roasted well. I'm just putting butter. It's like a tempering for the meat. Now, as I said, we have the last part, which is lime, just on top, little, and we add it to the plate. Yummy tandoori chicken. Viewers, it's very easy for you to make. Can you see how it's roasted? So fleshy. See, the flesh has started breaking here because it's so softly baked. Spicy tandoori chicken made at home without any color. I have not added color to it or any other ingredients. Check it out. Let's see the texture. So see you then. Try this at home. It's a very quick and easy recipe. You're just going to marinate it and put it in the microwave. Marinate pannite microwave 12 minutes for 12 minutes other side. Finished. Over. Your tandoori is ready. So see you viewers on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless. Bye bye.